Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will show you how you can use papaya for your skin or for face. For this, here I have taken some ingredients like you can see here. Cucumber is there, papaya, honey and lemon. So in this remedy you require all these ingredients. So what you need to do is take an empty bowl and add some papaya in it. You can cut down the small pieces of papaya or take the simply mashed papaya. So here I have taken the papaya. So now the next thing you need to do is you need to add honey in it. So here I am adding the honey. So it is very good for your skin. It will give a glow to your skin. And the next is to add the half teaspoon of lemon. That will remove all the dead skin layer of your skin as well as remove the impurities from your pores also. So do like this and mix up all the things together with your fingers, and you need to apply it directly on your face for 15 minutes for removing the dead skin cells and dead skin layer of your skin and get the glowing skin. So now I will tell you the second remedy. For the second remedy you also need the papaya, same ingredient. So take some papaya slices here in an empty bowl, and the next thing is to grate some cucumber in the papaya. So you need grated cucumber that will soothe your skin and give you a refreshing glow. So here I am adding the grated cucumber. You can also add the cucumber juice if you want. Now you need to mix it with the help of your fingers like this. So our next face mask is absolutely ready. Just apply it on your skin for 15 minutes and get the